Fully active people, we're cooking steak in energy drink today. Fully active. Fully active! Welcome to Cook and Vibe people. My name is M.R with Day and Kitchen Man. George P. Day, understand? So everything is alright. Today, we've got something different. Alright, look. It's a bit of a mad one today. I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah? Today we're cooking an energy drink steak. Listen, you know we like to put twists on food. But this one's called the Boom Steak. Alright? It's the Boom energy drink. We're going to show you how I go. We're going to make, if you don't know already. But energy drink steak today, people, a different thing. So if you don't know already, Boom is the equivalent to Red Bull in Jamaica. Yeah, hold on. It's the equivalent to Red Bull in Jamaica. So this is what everybody drinks when you're drinking your rum and Boom. You know what I'm saying? People saying Boom is a white thing these days. I ain't got time for it. We're cooking. You get what I'm saying, people? We ain't got time for the wires right now. So big up the Boom energy drink. It's a little bit sweeter than Red Bull. That's what I'd say. You get me? But yeah, you're going to need some energy drink. You can use Red Bull, you can use Boost, you can use Monster, you can use whatever you want. If you can get Boom, get Boom. You're going to need some steak. Now, I'm using this topside beef. I'll tell you why. Because I'm not stupid. Because I'm not actually stupid. So I'm not going to waste a sirloin steak. Because it's just a testing recipe. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to waste it. So I've got this topside beef. I'm going to cut off 2 steaks off of that. And we're going to cook a proper, nice dinner with the rest of it. Which will be for the next episode. You get me? Comment in the comment section. The last meal that we're going to cook for George P. Proper English meal. We have it on Sundays. Leave what meal you think it is in the comment section. The only other thing, you're going to need some seasoning. We've got some Old Bay and some all-purpose. But yeah, apart from that, it's simple. Energy drink, steak, seasoning. That is it. Fully active, cook and vibe. We're outside. All right, people. I'm not like I don't know the most about cutting steaks. But what I'm consuming is that bit of fat bit there. You kind of want that on the end, so I'm gonna go for about here. Again, I'm not the best at doing this, but let's see what happens. Okay, I've got that so far. Okay, what we got? All right, there's a type of steak. Yeah, man, that would do. So we're just gonna do 2 of them, people. So I'm gonna chop up another one, and that is it. That's all we're gonna use. That is it. All right. Yes, people. So our beef is cut up. Look, that's our 2 steaks there. They're not bad. They're not bad. That's our 2 steaks. One for me, one for George P. All right, that's some meat cut up for my daughter because she's cooking some ramen thing. All right, so basically what you got to do now is the first stage is you got to boil the steaks in the energy drink first. So we're not going to put no seasoning. We're just going to put some energy drink in a saucepan and we're going to boil the steak for about 5-10 minutes in the energy drink. Weird, I know. I didn't make this up myself. I see it online. Work with me. See it there, people? Going in with a Boom. The Boom energy drink. This is the Boom steak, you understand? Come on now, the Boom steak, this. It smells sweet. I don't think everyone's ever tried to cook Boom before. It's the first time. All right, we got our Boom in there. Now we're going to put our steak in. There we go. And then put that other one in. There we go. Get that in there. All right. For the first time ever, like a madman, M.R's cooking steak in Boom energy drink. Again, you can use Red Bull, you can use Boost, you can use whatever you want. But yeah, we're gonna boil it in that first, and then we're gonna take it out, and I'll show you what to do next. One ghetto president now. Yeah, it's been a mad thing. The UK tour has been fully active.
Fully active, man. You hear that?
Beer things are going.
Every day.
When you really check it out, bro, from when you reach here, the Coventry show, you get me. What else we done? We done the Kent show, we done the Coventry show, we done DJ AG, we've done we've released a song on the WYFL rhythm. We've got new drum and bass music. Beer things, bro.
All the things, people.
It's really, sir. Good vibes. Yeah, man.
Never a bad vibe.
Never. That is it, people. Yeah, man. When we say George P. the Ghetto President in the resident, it's evident. You understand? But taught me a new little trick the other day. All right, you see, like Guinness or Dragon Stout, it froths up if you put it in. And I always mix mine with Boom or energy drink or whatever. So what you got to do is you got to put the Boom in first, like that, and then you put the Dragon Stout in, and you don't get no froth. You're bad man, George P. Sit there, people. Dragon Stout and Boom. Gonna be honest, it's looking disgusting. It don't look great. It's like energy drink froth. But yeah, I actually don't want to boil it from anything more than this. It's been a few minutes and I feel like it's going to go really, really tough otherwise. So I feel like, yeah, we're gonna take it out now, people. I ain't gonna, it's been in there about 5 minutes. I ain't gonna do it for any longer than that, car. Tough is like a tough like crackers. But it smells weird though. Yeah. Yeah, it's time to go get that out there now. Okay. There we go. Oh look, it gave it a little crust there, look. So this is what happens when you cook steak in energy drink, people. Look, it's gave it like a little crust. We have got an energy drink crust on the steak. But it looks a bad color though. Smells a bit weird. You can definitely smell the energy drink in it. I thought it was not gonna stick to it that much, but it has. So yeah, there we got our Boom steak. This is the Boom steak. It's weird how it's done that though, look at that. Yeah. But we're definitely gonna cook it again anyway, because we need some seasoning, car, you don't know. So next, we're gonna heat up the pan. We're gonna season it with a little bit of Old Bay, and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. And then, yeah, give it a little fry up again. Is it? Get a little seasoning on there. That is it. That is it. Let's give that a little. Try and season it as much as possible. Yeah, man, Boom steak. Really don't know how this is gonna taste, but there you have it. Seasoned up and ready to fry up, people. That is it. Energy drink steak. You can smell the energy drink, you know. Yeah, you can smell. I'm a bit worried, to be honest with you. Yeah. Just a couple minutes, man. Just a couple minutes on each side. Literally. Like maybe a minute and a half on each side. Yeah, it's been about a minute, I'd say. Yeah, definitely. Oh, yeah, definitely. That was a little bit over there. All right, just a few seconds on this side, please. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. I mean, it don't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. But yeah, there you have it. Boom. Energy drink. Steak. Fully active cooking vibe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing and hit that like button and get the video moving. All right, as you can see, people, I've cut off like piece of the crust each. And I mean, it don't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. As you can see, George P, we'll say, y'all try it. All right, that's at the fatty part, that. Yeah. That's all right, isn't it? Ain't that too bad? Can go on, man. Boom energy drink steak. You've never seen it before. That's the first time. It's actually all right. When I was cooking it, it didn't look too good. But yeah, it worked out.
But
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I thought it was going to be way worse than that. It's actually strange. You can kind of taste the energy drink in it. But it's all right. Can go on, man. Better than I thought it'd be anyway. Listen, if you ain't subscribed already, man, do the right thing. Press the like button, get the video moving. Today was a boom energy drink. Steak, the boom steak. But you can use whatever you want to use. The aftertaste. The aftertaste is where you can taste the weird. But it's all right. Can go on. A new recipe for you if you want to try it at home. You know what I'm saying, people? Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Fully acting father. I hear that. Did you go and consume it?
man, bad man.
Yeah, man.
Boom energy. Mad. I tell you.
Mad
No
thing, man.
style can't spoil it, see?
You understand me, I say. That surprised me a lot. Still gonna finish off with my dragon style and boom. People love and respect every time, you know. Yeah, man, it's been a good vibes having George P in the UK, you understand? But we must move on. Life must move on. We're going Canada next. We've got some shows in Canada. You understand? Calgary, you're going to see us very, very soon. Mike Brown, big up yourself. Sniper, big up yourself. You're going to see us very, very soon in Canada. You hear me? I tell you. And after that, hopefully in Jamaica. Fully active people, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. You done know where the thing's at, man. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't already. Hit that like button. You done know. Get the video moving. Big up George P in the resident one, ghetto president.